Chloe is a cheerful and smart girl. Her father, Professor Wong, is a brilliant scientist. Chloe's mother, Grace, is a gentle and kind woman. Chloe's parents love animals, especially cats. However, Chloe hates cats. To her, cats are messy and emotionless creatures. Whenever she sees a cat, she chases it away or even hits it. Professor Wong decided to help his beloved daughter. He wants Chloe to understand the feelings of cats. Professor Wong is very smart. By using communication technology, he has successfully translated the voices of cats.
Hello.
Professor Wong finally invented the phone Meow. The phone Meow is a special device that can translate the sounds of cats into a language that can be understood by humans. Chloe is very surprised to receive this gift from her father. Thank you, Dad. I promise I will always use phone Meow. From that day, Chloe wears the phone Meow wherever she goes. Suddenly, Chloe hears something from the phone Meow.
Help me. Help.
Chloe decided to walk around the park to search for the source of the voices. Finally, Chloe stops as she sees a poor cat lying on the ground.
I'm hungry. Please help me.
Here you go. You can drink this milk.
Thank you, kind human. Can you help my friends as well? They are sick and hungry.
Of course. Let's go find them. With a sense of purpose, Chloe follows the cat. She is ready to help the cats in need. Chloe's heart sank as she saw all the cats.
I'm in pain. I'm hungry. Please help me.
Chloe has decided to save all the cats. She seeks help from her parents. The doctor teaches Chloe how to take care of the cats. Thank you, doctor. You are welcome. Professor Wong built a small house for these cats so they can play, rest, and feel safe. Chloe has become a cat lover. She has several cats as her pets. Now, Chloe no longer needs phone Meow to understand the feelings of the cats. Cats have feelings too. We should appreciate their feelings.